Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Sri Tips here. This is about 72 hours into the refining. And we're going to take a look down inside of our electrolytic silver cell here. There's the anode filter basket. It's consumed quite a bit of the silver. Let's look inside here and see what we got going on in here. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful pure silver crystal. This is day 3, so we should have about 30 troy ounces of high purity silver in the belly of the beast. I found that the best way to get the best contact here is to just bury the anode electrode bar in the impure silver like that. Whenever I get in here, I like to take a glass rod and just stir it up a little bit and knock those crystals down. They're forming directly below the anode filter basket. You got to keep those knocked down, otherwise they'll grow straight up and make contact with the anode filter basket. If that happens, it could ruin this entire batch of silver. If you remember when we first started this, I had this anode filter basket heaping full. Here's the anode basket full of silver when I started the silver cell about 3 days ago. So I'd say it's used about a third of what was in there. Now what we're going to do is the electrolyte becomes depleted as the silver cell operates. So I've got some electrolyte here. I'm going to pour some in to refill the actual physical level and to replenish the concentration of the silver in the silver cell. That looks really good. Man, that silver crystal is just really gorgeous. Very sparkly looking. This is what we want to see. Just wanted to show you here that the amperage has climbed up a little bit after we added the fresh electrolyte. All right, this will conclude day 3, 72 hours of the electrolytic silver cell operation. Thank you for watching.